Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Nebo pen light suddenly stops charging, it can become upsetting, especially when you depend on it for quick visibility during work or everyday tasks. Sometimes the charging indicator never appears, while other times the light connects to power but still does not seem to gain charge. A charging issue like this can happen because of cable connection problems, contact buildup, power source interruptions, or the light simply needing a quick refresh. Before thinking the pen light has completely stopped working, there are few simple things worth checking because many charging problems can improve after small adjustments. Let's go through several easy steps that may help fix a Nebo pen light not charging. Try these. Step 1. Connect the Nebo pen light to the charging cable again and confirm it fits securely. Step 2. Try a different power source for the Nebo pen light if charging does not begin normally. Step 3. Open the charging area of the Nebo pen light and gently remove dust if visible around the port. Step 4. Leave the Nebo pen light connected for a short time even if charging seems delayed at first. Step 5. Disconnect and reconnect the Nebo pen light to refresh the charging connection. Step 6. Watch the charging indicator on the Nebo pen light and confirm normal charging begins again.